1995, Apple Computer introduced a new line of home family computers, the Performa 5000 series. I have two examples here, which I will show you today for the computer archive. The Performa 5000 series was a reintroduction of the original all-in-one Macintosh. I have two examples of the 5400 series here, 5400 160, the 5400 180 AV. The Performa 5000 series consisted of everything in one box. It had the monitor, the computer itself, it had a CD-ROM player, a floppy disk drive, infrared, a microphone, stereo speakers. The black computer on the right even featured surround sound. The Performa on the left is a very common computer. I think everyone who used a Macintosh computer in the 1990s have either used this model of computer or has seen it. But the computer on the right is a whole different story. This computer was only manufactured for the European and Japanese markets, therefore a very rare computer. And it featured a television tuner and an AV out and input card. And you could watch live television, full screen, and you can even record it. The computer came with a remote control, and this remote control could control any Performa computer. Now, the first thing, of course, that is different about this computer is its black case. It came with a black keyboard and a black mouse and this black remote control, as opposed to the regular Performas, which had a beige case. You could power these computers up with the remote control. And you will see that they both respond to the remote control signal. Now, the Performa on the left doesn't have its original system software anymore. It's been overridden with macOS 8.6. But this one has, and yes, that was an introduction movie that you just saw, which came with the original installer discs. But it came with even more cool software, and I will show you. This Performa has the television software package on which you could watch live TV. I will start it up for you now. Now what you see right now is 640 by 480 resolution television, and this is a 1996 machine. You could even record the television here and play it back later on. Now, as you can hear, both computers respond to the remote signal. You could also play it in a window, so you could have your television play in the background while you're doing other things. For example, I will start up ClarisWorks right now, and as you will see, the television signal will keep on running in the background. So what you'll see right now, for example, I will start, I will open a text document, and while I'm working, I can just make this window a little smaller, move it out of the way, and keep continuing watching my favorite programs while I will type my document. So as you can see, it's fully hardware accelerated, and you can just continue using your computer while watching television. And if you're done with your work and you want to watch it full screen, put it back to full screen and continue watching. And if you're done watching, you close the program also with your remote control, you're back to desktop. Now, you can have some fun with these computers because they both respond to remote control. If you adjust the volume, they will both sound their warning signals. So you can even have them communicate to each other. So I will add a new warning sound, and I will record that with the built-in microphone. And this computer, I will have it say, "Hello, hello, how are you?" Now I have my warning sound here. Now, on this Performa, I will first record the silence and then record the answer. I'm fine, thank you. I will save this. And we have our new warning sound. So now when I press the volume button on my remote control, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I will have my Performas communicate with each other. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Of course, you can make all kinds of word combinations with this. You can even add 100 Performas and have them all play a concert this way. I hope you liked the presentation of this Apple Macintosh Performa computers, and if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. There's a whole lot more to come. And for now, let's shut down.